going on, everybody? Everything credit here. So I had a guy sign up for credit repair under the name of Steven. Simply asked him which package he was interested in signing up for. And sorry about the language, y'all, but this is just how people talk nowadays. So SMDB, I don't got no everything credit. Who the blank is Steven? Simply said someone put your number down to sign up for credit repair. Well, I'm not going to say the next part, but y'all can read, so. And that's one of those texting guys I see. How do you know I was white? Oh, hey, Todd G. And doesn't know who Todd G is. I said some things. Nothing out of the way that I'm aware of. And again, sorry about the language, but again, this is how people were raised to talk, unfortunately. And yeah, there's my response. So these are the type of things I deal with. And I had somebody research the number, and it's coming from Michigan. Imagine that. But they don't know who I'm talking about. Anyway, sorry I haven't been going live, y'all. Been real busy. Getting ready for my son's birthday party tomorrow, so I'll be tied up tomorrow as well. But I'll be available all day Sunday. Hope you have a great night.